This is why you need to know who loves you more, your cat or your dog. Spoiler, it's not as obvious as you think. Get ready for a furry face-off. Okay, dog people say their pups are basically furry best friends who live for belly rubs and ear scratches. Science even backs it up. Dogs get a splash of happy brain chemicals just by seeing us. Cats, though, they play it cool. But here's the twist. Studies show your cat does miss you. They just pretend not to care. So who wins? Dogs show love like a rom-com, while cats act like mysterious movie stars. At the end of the day, both pets adore us. In their totally weird, adorable ways. So go on, give them an extra treat today. They've earned it.